Did you know that you can make a ice cream base in 5 minutes in your stand mixer with just 2 ingredients? My toxic trait is that I don't let my husband buy things if I can make it for him.
And today I'm making ice cream. No ice cream maker, no problem, because all you need for this recipe is a bowl, a spatula, a big ice cream tray, and a hand whisk. And then you can make infinite flavor combinations. We're gonna add all the ingredients into a large mixing bowl or the bowl of a stand mixer. Whip on high speed until stiff peaks form. If you want to flavor the ice cream with tea powders or fruit powders, mix it in now so it doesn't get clumpy. You want the cream to hold its shape when you lift the beaters, but then you gotta stop right there.
Ta-da! It's basically like whipped cream, but it's gonna taste like rabbit candy.
If you're gonna add in chunky toppings like freshly cut diced fruit or crushed Oreos, you want to wait until after you whip the cream and then you want to fold it in. Then transfer your freshly made ice cream into a freezer-friendly container and freeze. And because it was so easy to make this ice cream base, I went ahead and made like 6 different flavors. Made like a taro coconut, a fruity pebbles vanilla, strawberries and cream, cookies and cream, gochujang tea with chocolate chips, and a matcha pistachio. Also, looky here, if you pre-scoop their ice cream into cupcake liners in a cupcake tin, it makes it really easy to serve friends, and in this case I'm planning on hosting an ice cream sundae with my friends. This way I could spend more time yapping. Follow Sparkle Cakery if you want to learn more about how baking is fun and approachable from me, a professionally trained pastry artist. Okay, bye!